In this video, we will show you how to replace your antenna mast on this Chevy Silverado. This will be located along your passenger side fender. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the antenna, use an 8mm headed wrench. Turn this counterclockwise. Now it's time to install our antenna. We'll take this and start it on by hand. Once you do have it started on by hand, continue on by tightening it up with an 8mm headed wrench. Once you feel as though you have it bottomed out, we'll just take it a little bit further just to ensure it is snug, but of course you don't want to cause any damage. We'll give it a wiggle to make sure it's completely secure. Okay friend, we finished our installation. At this point, what you need to do is hop in the passenger compartment, put the key in the on position, and test the radio functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.